Is your engine really running at its full potential? Or could the additive you're using actually be doing more harm than good? Can you really reduce fuel consumption and extend engine life at the same time? Today, I'm revealing the best engine additives of 2025, a list built on real driver results and expert recommendations. And trust me, the #1 product is going to surprise you. I've left the latest prices and discount links in the description, so be sure to check them out. At number 10, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. One of the few additives recommended by automakers. It cleans injectors and valves, restoring lost performance. Even after just one tank, drivers notice sharper throttle response and lower fuel consumption. With regular use, it helps maintain efficiency long-term. Average price, $15 to $20. If you want to keep your fuel system clean, this is a reliable choice. Number 9, STP High Mileage Oil Treatment, made for older engines. It rejuvenates seals and gaskets to cut down oil leaks and slightly thickens the oil to protect worn parts. For high-mileage vehicles, it's a real lifesaver. Price is about $12 to $15. If your car has started burning oil, this one's for you. Number 8, Arc Oil AR9100 Friction Modified, a favorite among diesel truck owners. Famous for fixing the 6.0-liter Power Stroke cold start problem. Works in both gas and diesel engines, reducing friction, heat, and wear. Quieter operation and easier starts are immediate benefits. Premium priced at $40 to $50. But the protection is worth it. Number 7, Rislone Engine Treatment. Affordable but effective. Reduces noise, quiets lifter ticks, and prevents sludge buildup. Especially useful for aging engines, giving them smoother operation. Sells for about $12 to $18. A solid pick if you want to keep an older motor alive. Number 6, Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. All about performance and efficiency. Restores lost horsepower, improves fuel economy by up to 4%, and reduces emissions. Premium product, priced around $20 to $25. Perfect for drivers chasing both performance and savings. Number 5, Lucas Oil Pure Synthetic Oil Stabilizer. Built for vehicles under high heat or heavy load. Thickens oil to reduce metal-on-metal contact, improves oil pressure, and stops older engines from burning oil. Extends part life and ensures quieter running. Price, $15 to $20. A smart choice for tough driving conditions. Number 4, BGMOA Motor Oil Additive. Widely recommended by professional shops. Protects oil at high temperatures, prevents oxidation, and extends oil life. Gives peace of mind during long service intervals. Average price, $25 to $30. If you want maximum protection for your oil, BGMOA is a top pick. Number 3, Marvel Mystery Oil, an almost 100-year-old classic. Lubricates valves, pistons, and cylinders, making engines run smoother and quieter. Added to fuel, it cleans injectors and boosts reliability. Great for older engines. Price, $10 to $15. Big bonus, usable in both oil and fuel. Number 2, Seafoam Motor Treatment. Like an engine wash in a bottle. Breaks down carbon deposits, cleans injectors, and restores throttle response. It also stabilizes fuel in engines that sit unused. Drivers report smoother idle and easier cold starts. Costs about $10 to $12. A true classic for engine cleaning. And at number 1, Liqui Moly MoS2 Anti-Friction. Forms a molybdenum disulfide layer inside your engine, cutting friction and wear. Engines run quieter, and cold starts feel smoother right away. Restores performance in high-mileage engines and lowers fuel consumption. Long-term, it can significantly extend engine life. At just $12 to $15, it's an amazing value-for-money pick. If I could only choose one additive, Liqui Moly would be it.